Are you a student wondering about credit cards? You're not alone. Choosing to use a credit card is a big decision, especially for students. Today, we'll explore the benefits and risks of using credit cards as a student. Credit cards can be powerful tools. They can help you build credit, but they can also lead to debt if not managed properly. So, should you use a credit card as a student? Let's break it down step by step. First, let's discuss the benefits of using a credit card. Credit cards offer convenience when shopping online or in stores. You don't need to carry cash. They also provide security, protecting you from fraud. Most credit cards come with zero liability policies. Another major benefit is building your credit history. Responsible use can lead to a good credit score. This score will help you secure loans in the future, like a car loan or a mortgage. However, it's crucial to understand the potential risks. Credit cards can lead to overspending. It's easy to buy things you can't afford. Additionally, students often face high interest rates on unpaid balances. If you miss payments, your credit score suffers. This makes future loans more expensive. Understanding these risks is essential to making an informed choice. Now, let's dive deeper into how to use a credit card wisely. Start by creating a budget. Determine how much you can spend monthly. Stick to this budget to avoid debt. Always pay your bill on time. Setting up automatic payments can help. This keeps your credit score healthy and avoids late fees. Consider getting a secured credit card first. These cards require a cash deposit and are often easier to obtain. This can be a great starting point for building credit. Here's a scenario to illustrate the importance of responsible usage. Imagine you have a credit card with a $500 limit. You see a pair of shoes you love for $200. If you buy them, you must budget carefully for the rest of the month. If you spend too much, it could lead to debt. But if you buy those shoes and pay your balance on time, you build your credit. In summary, using a credit card as a student can be beneficial. It offers convenience and helps build credit. But it's crucial to understand the risks. Always budget, pay your bills on time, and consider starting with a secured card. What's the main takeaway? Responsible credit card use can empower students. It can lead to financial benefits throughout your life. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Share your thoughts in the comments. Have you had experiences with credit cards? We'd love to hear from you. Remember, being informed is key to making smart financial choices. Now, go empower yourself with the right knowledge.